Yes, it's Sam. So I've not done my master bedroom tour yet. You guys saw it in my house tour when it was all empty, but I haven't showed you guys officially the entire room, talking about all the decor and everything since, oh hi!
Hi.
Come on in.
What are you doing?
I'm just filming a tour. I did already, I'm just doing the intro right now. Hey, will you tell everyone that you don't mind about the pink? Because I know I'm gonna get comments like that.
I don't mind pink.
That's what I said.
Why would I mind pink?
Well, because a lot of men do, but I feel like people don't think that, they don't believe me that you don't actually care.
Oh no, I really don't.
He doesn't care.
I truly don't mind at all.
I said, as long as you have a mattress that is comfortable and a lamp, you're fine.
Here's what I care about. I like my TV.
Yeah.
And I like how comfortable the mattress is. I like how comfortable the couch is.
As long as he has comfort, that's all he cares about. Like if we had a super uncomfortable bed, or like I really wanted this bed frame that was from Anthropology, and he said I am not getting that because it's rickety and it's not sturdy.
Like this is sturdy.
Like he likes this bed. Yeah. He's very like functional.
I'm a functional and comfortable and frugal person. I'm really not concerned with you know, as long as it's clean and looks nice. But as far as the colors and stuff, I just like it to look pretty and look comfortable and look like I'm really happy when she's happy.
He only cares about it if it looks amazing.
Yeah, I just like it to look
exactly.
nice.
Lily is sick home from school today. She has a snuffly cold. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna link as much as I can down in the description box for you guys, so that if you see anything that you like, for example, the bedding, the dresser, the bed, anything that I can still find links for, I will link down for you guys below. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. As you walk in, this is what you'll see. Don't mind Fiona. She's outside. Lily's keeping her company while she goes potty, but it sounds to me like she's just barking her head off. You walk in, we have these chairs that I found at Habit for Humanity Restore, and I got them for 20 bucks each, which was such a good deal. I'm so pleased with these. The pillow is from IKEA. It's in their like Turkish rug section. It's like a pillow, I think it was just the pillow case, and then you have to buy the pillow separately if I remember correctly. Over here is our dresser. This is from Ashley Furniture. It did have legs, but the legs broke on our last move, so we just decided to put it straight on the floor. The Prentice collection, they still have these, like they still make them and sell them, so I'll link it for you guys. It's been a great dresser. I mean, we have taken this from Montana to Tahoe to North Carolina. Like, it's been through so many moves. I feel like it's lasted really well. And what I love about it is that it actually like has velvet on the insides. Like, it's a really sturdy piece. We paid a lot of money for it when we first got it because we bought it brand new. But I mean, even though it's years old, it's still doing really, really well. The only thing I would say is if you do decide to purchase these, be very careful with what you clean it with, because I made the mistake of using just like regular old cleaning products, and it strips some of the paint away and kind of makes it chip a little bit. So that, you know, that's something to note. And then the mirror is also from the same collection. This right here is a little sign that I got from my Deco Crated box, and you can just switch them out. They come out every season. So right now I have the fall one. Then I have these little bowls that I think what did I get these in? I think these came in like a FabFitFun. I think they're Anthropology, or maybe they're Pier 1. I can't remember. It came in a FabFitFun. So I have like all my little, like, you know, small perfumes in there, just like little bits and bobs of perfumes. And then over here I have some new perfumes that I recently just got from fragrance.com. And then this is my new NARS one, the NARS Audacious, which is delish. And then right here I have my little incense burner tray. This is from World Market. My mug is from Ankit, and this is my aloe plant, which is doing so very well. And then over here I have more from fragrance.com. This looks like I stole it, so whenever like people come over, I'm always like, oh my god, I did not steal this. But at fragrance.com you can actually buy like testers so that it's cheaper. So that's why it says tester. I did not steal it, I swear. Then I have more of the little bowls that came in the set. These just have like little perfumes in here as well. I have a little candle, and then I have a little mug that I think also came in a FabFitFun box. It's by Oh Dear. That's cute. Okay, then over here is another chair. Same chair, it was $20. And then the lamp is from Bright Tech. I'll link that down below. It's really cute. I love this lamp. Underneath there, I have a basket where I keep all of my makeup that I use like on a daily basis. And then I have a little basket full of all my eyeshadow palettes. Pillow is from IKEA. These backpacks, I can't even talk, backpacks. This one is from 12 Little. It's a cactus one and I love it. It's a diaper bag. And then this one, my sister wanted me to get because she found the yellow one that matched. We got these at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. She wanted to be twinsies with me. So those are all of my palettes that honestly it's a bit messy right now, but it's just an easy way to store it when I don't have like, I haven't finished my makeup room yet because I don't have curtains. So I've been doing my makeup in here. So then over here is where I do my makeup, which as you can see, my mirror is dirty. It's a very big mess right here, but I have a lot of my perfumes that I keep over here in these little trays. Lily's home sick from school today, so she's hanging out with me. I have more perfumes in here. Replica is one of my favorites. The Flower Market is amazing. The Gucci Flora, love that one. There's lots of good ones in there. And then I keep all of my brushes here. And then I just haven't put any of this stuff away. Some extra batteries. Like I said, this is a mess. And then this is a little Calyx shelf, or Calyx, I don't know how you say it, from IKEA. This is where I keep like my designer bags. So I have some Michael Kors, designer for me, Michael Kors, Coach, Ted Baker, and then I keep some shoes down here. I have my Dooney and Burke, my Osprey, my Anna, what does that say? I can't read that far. Angela Roy, sorry. And then I just have some shoes. Yeah, it's very nice. So then that is my little stool. So when I actually do my makeup, I pull it on over right there. I do it right in front of the window, my little mirror. And that is how I do my makeup currently. The curtains are from Target. They're by the Opal House collection. The rods are bamboo rods. So I found the bamboo rods on Craigslist for like $10, I think. And then we just got the brackets from Home Depot. They are the Martha Stewart ones, and so we just basically kind of DIY'd our own little bamboo curtain rods. Both curtains, the sheer, we didn't want to do blinds because quite frankly, who wants to clean them? So we did sheers and then curtains on all of our windows. So these ones are nice because in the daytime you cannot see through into the house because it's got all this print, but then at nighttime obviously you can, so then we close them with the double, you know, with the actual velvet ones. And these ones right here have like the really pretty tassel, and then they're like a light pink velvet.
That looks even prettier.
Ooh, very nice. Then I have my little mirror here. This is where I do all of my try-on videos. And then another window there with the same exact curtains. I just love the curtain. It's so beautiful with all of the wildflowers going up it. It just is so pretty. I love them. And they're still available, so I'll link those for you guys. Watch out, Chica! Her pajamas are so mismatched. And then we have the dresser. This is also the Ashley Furniture Apprentice. I just changed out the knobs so that they were gold or brass. They've kind of weathered not very nicely, so I think I might change them out again actually, because they move around a lot too. So I think I might change them out to be something like an agate, here, let's keep that in. Aww. An agate like knob, like a crystal or something. But here's what I'm talking about, how like when you clean it with, see how it kind of gets all, it kind of wears, which is not good. These are from, where are these from? Goodnight Macaroon. And then Jay just has his colognes right there, his little pictures of Phoenix when he was little for Father's Day. Oh, that was from the move. How annoying is that? We have scuffs on like all of our stuff. We just need to like get some new stuff. The lamp is from Target, and then Lowe's for the lampshade. That is from Decocrated, and then Jay made that little thing to hold his phone. So that is his nightstand. And then our bed is also part of the Apprentice collection from Ashley Furniture. And oh, she just made this bed all messy. Okay, then our bedding is from Nordstrom. I got it in the Nordstrom sale. I'm obsessed. It's just a duvet cover, and then you can just wash it whenever it gets dirty, which is awesome for us because we have pets and kids. And then the two pillows are also from Nordstrom. Those two pillows are from Nordstrom. That pillow is from Nordstrom. And then this is in my collection that I launched, and it says, "Don't worry, be happy," on one side. I like based it around my bedding because I already had this. And then it's a rainbow, flowers, and sun rays on the other side. So it's kind of fun, you can switch it out. So that is what my bed looks like. And then over here is my dresser. I have my slippers. This rug is from TJ Maxx. This plant is from TJ Maxx. And then same exact nightstand, same exact lamp. And then over here I have my planner, little jewelry holder for when I take out my earrings at nighttime. More of those little coasters that I got from Goodnight Macaroon. This little basket is, oh, that's where my extra batteries are. Cool. That's from IKEA. And then I have just a bunch of different books and notebooks. And then I have my little diffuser, some Dream Mist. And then again, this is another small little window. And we put the exact same bamboo rods and curtains, which I love. So then from this angle, oh, a shoe. I need to put that away. My dog steals my shoes. Sometimes my kids do. You just never know what you're gonna find under here. So then from this angle, this is what the room looks like. And we chose to do complete white walls because I just wanted to be able to do whatever I wanted decor-wise. And so I wanted to keep it nice and bright and white. That way I could switch it up however I want to. And then over here is a rug that we got from World Market. I love this rug so much. I wanted to get a bigger one, but I didn't like any of the bigger ones, so I ended up just getting this size, and I love it. It's just so beautiful. I just wish it was bigger because I love the tassels. I love the colors. It matches so well with our curtains and everything. So she just moved my, did you just move my stool for me? You sneaky little snook. And then over on this wall, that goes to the bathroom and the master closet. This is the other Prentice dresser from the Ashley collection. And then I have my little closet. So over here, this is where we keep like all of our underwear and stuff like that. So that's from TJ Maxx. That's my lip gloss that I made that I display because it makes me feel cool. That's my little IKEA baskets. I got this on clearance at TJ Maxx. My plant is not doing well. This one is mangled. Pot I got on clearance at tjmaxx.com. And then I have this, the kids got me, I think it was Jay and the kids got me for Mother's Day or something. And they got me that little faux succulent. And then I have more perfumes up here. This is actually all gone. I need to put that in my empties. Michael Kors, one of my favorites. Ariana Grande, one of my favorites. Michael Kors Wonderlust, amazing. Juicy Couture, Alfred Sung Shi. There's just from, oh, Chloe Nomad. That's a great one for fall. And then over here, I have this little picture from Bearish Shop, which is just a nude lady. And I think it's perfect because I have it right above my little closet. So my little closet I got from, where did I get it from? Amazon. And it's great because it has all these like little hat holders and stuff. So I keep all of my hats up here, and then you can keep your bags and your necklaces. I just got that from the Target Anniversary collection. Those are new from Walmart. And then all my hangers I just get at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. There's a random kid one in here. And then I just keep all of my new clothes here. So all of the clothes that I'm gonna be doing try-on hauls or that I've just recently gotten and I know that I'm gonna be wearing for pictures or anything like that, then I will put all of this here. And then I have all of my new shoes here. So I have my new Target ones, my new Walmart ones, my new Express ones. So I just keep all of those there. So without anything new, I know that I'm gonna be wearing this because it's new and I can still link it for you guys. And it just keeps me knowing what I have new versus just throwing it in my closet and then forgetting about it. So I keep everything here. And I always get this comment, and I totally get it, but I know it's a lot of pink. And most men probably would have a problem with this. I'm very lucky Jay doesn't have a problem with pink at all.
Just like my room, there's like nothing that's boy color.
Nothing that, well, we do have a little bit of green in here.
Just a little bit of green and blue over there.
Yeah, we got a little bit of green and blue. And he's got a blue clock.
But other than that, he's mostly pink.
Yeah, but that's why I got the rust or terracotta colored bedding so that it kind of brought a little bit of like masculinity in here. But Jay really doesn't care. He could care less what I do in here as long as it's comfortable, as long as he has a mattress he likes. Oh, and our mattress is from Yasa Studios. It's amazing. It's like the best mattress we've ever had. And so as long as he's got a comfortable comforter, a comfortable mattress, a lamp so he can see, and me, that's all he cares about. So I'm very lucky like that. The only thing I wish that they would have done differently is I wish that they would have put another window right here so that it would be even behind the bed. I just feel like that's so annoying that they did that. Even if they would have made this one smaller and then just stuck in a little small one on either side just so it was more even, because I just feel like it's weird, like one random window and then two matching ones. Like this side is great, but like, ugh, why would they do this to me? But it's okay, it's fine. I'll probably end up getting some kind of like pretty mirror or some kind of like basket type thing above here. I'm just being very picky. I haven't decorated things on the wall in a lot of rooms yet because I'm being very particular as to what I put up. And if I don't find something that I absolutely love, then I just don't put anything up. So that's why this space is bare at the moment, is because I haven't found anything that I love. So that is the master. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you love it. And I'll link everything that I possibly can down below for you guys. And this is what I'm wearing. I just got this from Lively, and it's these cute pajama, or it's like a pajama set. Isn't it so adorable? Totally matches my room too. So don't mind my hair. I'm looking really fabulous and glamorous right now.